warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, we are from group uh, 2A, DFE 2A, want to present about production of instant coffee from cold brew coffee, process characteristic and optimization. Our group members is Izzah, Fatehah, Ameera, Aisar and Ashraf. Okay.
The topic is production of instant coffee from cold brew coffee, process characteristic and optimization by Patroklos Verelzis, Irene Gargali, Smaro Kiroglu, Marina Zaleskido, and this journal published on 19 March 2020. Abstract. This study aimed to develop a process for producing instant coffee from cold brew Arabica and Robusta roasted coffee beans. The process starts by selecting an appropriate mixture of Arabica and Robusta coffee beans, degree of roasting such as light, medium, and dark, and degree of grinding like coarse and fine. Sensory evaluation by trained panels show that a mixture of 92.5% Arabica and 7.5% Robusta medium roasted, coarsely ground coffee beans produce instant cold brew coffee equally or better accepted from other instant coffees available to consumer. The selected coffee beans were subjected to vacuum-assisted cold extraction and the extract was spray dry. Spray drying conditions such as inlet temperature, air volumetric flow, and air aspiration rate were optimized by a full factorial design. Response variable was solid yield, process thermal efficiency, and antioxidant capacity of the produced powder measured as DPPH, scavenging ability, FRAP, and total phenolic content. The produced powder was analyzed for its physiochemical characteristics such as caffeine content, phenolic, moisture content, hygrocapacity, capacity, bulk density, solubility, particle size distribution, acrylamide content, and shelf life determination. Next. For research problem, there is no conflict in this journal. That's all.
Okay, my name is Ashraf Muhammad Noor. I want to present about objective of study. This study aimed to develop a process for producing instant coffee from whole brew Arabica and Robusta roasted coffee beans. Response variables were solid yields, process thermal efficiency, and antioxidants capacity of the produced powder, and employing sensory evolution and appropriate mixture of Arabica and Robusta coffee beans, degree of roasting and the degree of grinding were selected. And the next one is limitations of study. The first one is the research was based on largely qualitative research method. Coffee Arabica and Robusta has a large range of melting points, spray dry and brittle. The coffee can give attributes in aroma, taste, and mouthfeel. And the last one is research questions or issue. The first one is the caffeine content is a very important quality parameter of processed coffee. Arabica coffee is responsible for about 70% of the world coffee market, and Coffea Canfora or Robusta coffee represents the rest. And that's all from the next presenter.
Okay, my name is Izzah binti Nur Azmi, and today I will talk about significance of the study. The primary beneficiaries of this study are students who will benefit positively from this journal. This journal helps students to do research related to food processing and technology. This research will serve as resource data for students to learn the process for producing instant coffee from cold brew Arabica and Robusta roasted coffee beans. The study is significant in its process, characteristics, and optimization of instant coffee. And the next one is, as you can see here, is the organization of literature review. Next, presenter will continue.
Okay, I will continue for the research methodology. Okay, first is primary data collection. That we use is qualitative. First is grounded, and second is grounded theory about coffee. Lastly, about qualitative is introduction of beverage, such as a coffee brew. After that is quantitative. First of all, we do is a experiment. After that, second one is preparation of instant cold brew coffee. And then preparation of instant coffee of a new commercial instant coffee. Third one is censoring, scoring of two beverage data procedure collection from panelists. Okay, that's all.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Ameera. Now I will explain about the data analysis procedure. Okay, so the first one is define the question. Define the question refers to the question that is asked from the abstract, and like example, the study aimed to develop a process for producing instant coffee from cold brew Arabica to Robusta roasted coffee beans. So this journal explain the process from the start until the end of the process. Okay, then the second one is data collection. Data collection is a process of collect data and clean the data to put in the journal data. Third one is data analyzation. Data analyzation show the data just now. This data in journal including the raw materials and reagent of coffee, preparation and sensory evaluation of instant coffee, and spray drying optimization and physicochemical characterization of coffee. Okay, finally, the visualization of result. The visualization of result show the result visually from the start until the end of the process of making coffee. Okay, next. Summary of the finding. Okay, this research led to the production for the first time of an instant coffee from cold brew coffee. Various parameters of the whole process were optimized. The most acceptable coffee blend was Arabica, 92.5%, and Robusta, 7.5%, leading to a beverage equally or better light than a known commercial brand. The spray drying process was optimized in respect to yield and total phenolic content. The final product was fully characterized and its shelf life was determined. Okay, the organization of this report is published by UFT Academic Publishing House, Plovdiv, and then it is the journal name is Science and Applied Biotechnology, 2020, volume 3, page 39 until 46. The title of the journal is Production of Instant Coffee from Cold Brewed Coffee Process Characteristic and Optimization. And the writer of this report, of this journal is
Patroclus Varelsis from Department of Chemical Engineering, Irene Gargali from Laboratory of Food Industry Technology and Agricultural Industry, Smaro Kiroglo, Aristotle of Thessaloniki, and the last one, Rina Zaleskido from Thessaloniki, Greece. Okay, that's all from me.
Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.